Antonio. I'm like, Anthony is okay. Yeah, call me Anthony, please. Hey, how are you? I'm Anthony Baker. I'm Executive Technology Director at RGA Tokyo. So I think that the biggest challenge is there is a gap between concepts, decks, and static representations of an experience and the reality. And I think that prototyping enables to close that gap, right? Bring an idea, a concept, and an experience to life in a very easy way, in a very fast way, so you can test it, validate it with real people, and iterate over it. I think that prototyping helps teams to communicate better, and I think that ProtoPie just enables people to very easily learn how to prototype experiences in a more realistic way and close that communication gap, which eventually turns into teams being able to work faster. Speed, right? In this age, speed is the key for any successful business. So ProtoPie, it's a very modern tool that allows these prototypes to be put together very quickly, very easily, and accelerate that whole process. If you can bring ideas and concepts to life faster, then basically you're generating more opportunities for that business, right? If you can bring ideas to life quicker, test them, and have better environments to do that, then I think that that will increase the quality of all the stuff that we can produce. When I started to work with ProtoPie, the whole concept and the concept of the architecture, which is based on the idea that you have objects, you can attach triggers to them, and then that creates responses. And then based on that responses, things happen. I think that the concept is very easy to grasp, very easy to understand,